Welcome back to Daytime Live. Let me amend my tone. It's game time. And this is something that we all need to brush up on. Our Jamaican culture with Finish the Jamaican Proverb. Now, guys, you know I'm going to be learning a lot in this game. You can play with us too. I'm saying, Craig, as a disclaimer, want you love me. Everybody watching, gonna leave me alone. I'm gonna do my best. Love me. Shut up. Don't you say it.
Wendy Williams.
I hate you all. I hate you all. Okay, the first one is, if I get this, I'll be super excited.
No, so let me, coward man keep alive.
Coward man keep himself quiet. Yes!
I like your attitude. Soundbone, soundbone. Coward man keep soundbone.
That was my next guess. So Odessa would have lost it too. Good. Okay, next one. I've got this one. I know what it is. No wait till drum beat before you...
Boy, I know what I said about remember.
You don't know because you can't say it.
No, don't wait till it's too late before you act. But
that's not the point. What's the proverb?
I remember.
Go ahead. No wait till the drum beat before you... What?
Grind your axe.
Grind your axe.
Mr. The grind part, I never expect the axe.
Who for granny them? I come up with them thing. Christine and our granny.
We spoke about that one the other day, though. That one came up in the show the other day.
No wait till drum beat before you grind your axe.
All right, my turn. Want all, that's easy. A lie.
Want all, lose all. That's deduction. That's deduction. Because I was deducing that.
Aye.
That's 1-1. No, you never get none. One for me, none for Craig. Next one is, what a goat do, blank, blank, blank.
What a goat do is not what a goat sit.
It's not what him eats. I don't know. What a goat do
the first me hear about
to you, sir. I don't know. What is it? What a goat do.
The kid follow.
The kid follow.
Aye.
That's good. That's parenting.
Christina set me up, you know.
Christine.
Yeah, that's a go on.
Christine, a proper country girl, you know. She know all of them.
But I choose, she feels sorry for you still, because you always...
Me get one, I got one, you got one, it's 1-1.
Oh.
So you're not doing that much better than me, Craig.
That's what I'm saying.
Next one.
They must set me up. Sabotage. What?
Oh, God.
Rain never fall.
You know it? I thought it was rain or fall, breeze or...
No. Chicken.
Chicken. Rain never
regions.
Rain never fall.
By one man house.
On one door.
Yeah,
same, one
man
kind
door.
Of thing. Okay, that's a good one.
Yeah.
Sometimes I feel like the rain just to fall on my house though. Look around at everybody's house that glisten. I'm like, damn. Okay. This one is, wait, say? One-eye man a king in a own a king.
In a blind man world.
In an own a kingdom?
Something like that. A blind man.
One man a king in a...
One-eye man a king in a blind man something.
In a blind man country. That was good. That was good. That was good. You're close.
Yeah.
That's close. That's true. That's true. That's true. I like that.
I know that one there.
Okay, so the next one is, if you get your hand in
a devil mouth.
Devil, okay. Devil. If you get your hand in a devil mouth, don't complain if you bite it off. That's a good one, though. Keep your hand out of it, no?
I don't know that one. If you get your hand in a devil mouth, don't dry it out, you know.
Dry it out quick.
Take it out.
See? See? Take it out.
You're not going to tear off your hand, man?
Yeah. I don't think that was a good one.
I'm not sure for the right
I don't think that was a good one. Our grannies didn't do a good job on that one. Our ancestors. That wasn't the best. Next one. Next one. Take it out. Oh, that's it. So I think it's...
So the score go? I probably 2-all.
No, I think I got
Nisha,
one and I think you got 2.
Oh, me win?
I think so. No, I won.
That's accurate still, you know. That's accurate still.
Ooh, you see my chair? Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Did you learn, though? Did you learn anything about Jamaica?
Here's the thing. I will not remember anything that just came on that screen. So it's not even the learning, it's the retaining.
I remember give you one.
Go.
Trouble take you. Trouble take your picnic.
Where?
Trouble take your picnic shot fit you. You don't know that one?
If you can't catch Quackle.
You catch him shot.
See,
Come on.
I know that. I know that. What about, what else?
Trouble. Popcorn have one, you know. Trouble. Trouble Dede.
Trouble dead ear. Oh, Dede.
Dede, can't dead here.
It's not dead ear?
No.
It's not there like Ashley.
No.
Ashley and Rebecca.
No.
Rebecca and Ashley, dead ear. No?
Alright, let me give you one way you know.
Give me one.
What sweet nanny goat?
I go run in belly.
Everybody know that one.
On that
that
note,
note.
can you tell who didn't grow with them granny? Can you tell? Did not grow with my granny. But that's okay, because Daytime Live will be right back, and we will be talking about what brands can learn from the Facebook crash with the one and only Shane Bennett. Hey, Bogle Shane. Bogle Shane. Okay,
No style.
okay.
Style,
Style, can't spoil. Hey, Shane. We're so good.